Hello again, welcome back to my videos. Today I'm going to talk about a very useful bit of kit that I have. I got this as a present from my father-in-law, and what it is I'm a bit of a geek. I'm a tech geek. I like tinkering with things. I like taking things apart, putting things back together again. I love computers. I'm a bit of a computer nerd, to be quite honest, and I do like taking apart computers. You may see in one of my videos I built a Raspberry Pi case, and again I like tinkering with things, and computers are my thing. So I got given this and I've added to it, so there's more things in it now, but what it essentially is, and if you're a tech geek you should have one of these, you should always own one of these, is a kit, is a repair kit with all the tools you'll need for repairing computers, for getting into computers, everything. Again, I've built this up and added some extra items in here to just build up my kit for every eventuality. So in here I've got some cable ties, various different colours in case I need to do some cable management. I've got some small screwdrivers here, some micro screwdrivers for very small, like motherboard screws and things like that. That's that. Actually, it's come from a very old computer. That is a power splitter for some hard drives. Molex power splitter for some hard drives. If you're running two hard drives into one power. Don't know why I've got it, but I have. I've got a wrist strap, anti-static wrist strap. You should always use one of these if you're taking apart a computer, an expensive computer. I sometimes try and wear it, but for me it's a little bit small for my wrist because I have quite chunky wrists and it's a little bit small for me, but I keep it in there just in case. Now I've got a pen in case I need to write anything down. Now we get into the nitty gritty. I've got two types of tweezer devices that can help pry things out. These have got a slight hook on the end. I don't know if you can see that, they've got a slight hook on the end. So yeah, nice little tweezers there. I've got what I call reverse tweezers. So these sort of reverse hook. See, when you open them up, they open up like that and they close. A reverse tweezers, great for getting at anything you drop down the side of things. If you're replacing hard drives and you drop the screws and stuff like that down the side of the computer. Got another mini Phillips screwdriver, very handy for getting to very tiny situations. The obligatory craft knife or Stanley knife in case you need to cut anything like cables or anything. Then I've got my cable splicer, and I can splice any sort of cable with this. Opens up and you've got grooves and teeth of different size cables that you can splice. Wire cutter, terminals, all different types of cable. Very handy if you're doing any sort of building of computers or anything like that. Very handy to be able to make Molex cables up and stuff like that. I've got a wrench, just a standard very small wrench, just in case I need to undo some bolts of various different sizes. This is quite a small one because in the computer world you're not going to find very big bolts. So it's only a small one, but I keep that in there just in case, and that sort of lives in there. That's a pusher tool. Push things in. I believe that's what it is. I haven't actually used that. I believe it's for pushing things in, but I could be wrong. So if anybody knows what that's for, and if it's not a pusher, please tell me. I'd love to know what that little instrument in there is for. So drop a comment in the comments. I'd love to know what that's for. Please let us know. So that lives in that one there. Got a little pipette thing with a grabby tool. See that pops out there? It grabs things. I'll just show you close up actually. What it's got is, it looks a bit lethal to be quite honest. It actually, you can grab hold of things and pick them up, like little screws and things that you've left in place, and you pick them up with that. It's quite useful, that is. Various different hard drive screws. I keep them in here so I know where they are. Different hard drive screws and things like that. Very useful. Another pair of tweezers. Take off the plastic band bit. Another pair of tweezers. Very useful again. Say you want to grab something with another pair of tweezers and grab it with this, you can do. Again, very useful. Always keep those in there. Got some of these bread ties. Very useful if you need to tie something off very quickly. And then you've got the various different degrees of spanners and screws and things like that, and span ends, screw ends, different sort of attachments. Again, you've got the Phillips screwdrivers, all that. Again, you can get different ends for these different screwdrivers and different lengths. Again, very useful. And again, you've got standard screwdrivers as well. So yeah, there's my toolkit that I use for repairing computers, putting computers back together again, taking apart computers, motherboards, that sort of thing. Very useful, can get to anything with this kit. If you're into computers or into dealing with computers, you need one of these kits, basically. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you want to know any more, just drop us a comment. Please press the like button. I'd love you to press the like button. It really does help my channel. And rate, comment, subscribe. Love you to subscribe. We've got loads more content on all sorts of bits of kit. We've got some tech reviews, bag reviews. We've got some reviews on the Raspberry Pi that I've just done a video on the case building of it, which was quite fun. And we're going to fire that up, yes, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Cheers, bye bye.